Dreams can be entertaining, disturbing, and downright bizarre. We all dream, even if we don't remember it the next day. But why do we dream and what do they mean? Watch full video and get the answers. If you still didn't subscribe my channel, now subscribe and press the bell icon button to get latest notifications. What are dreams? Dreams are basically stories and images that our mind creates while we sleep. They can be vivid, they can make you feel happy, sad, or scared, and they may seem confusing or perfectly rational. Dreams can happen at any time during sleep, but you have your most vivid dreams during a phase called REM, rapid eye movement sleep, when your brain is most active. Some experts say we dream at least 4 to 6 times a night. There are two types of dreams are there. One is lucid dreams and other one is nightmares. Number 1. Lucid dreams. A lucid dream is one in which you know you are dreaming. Research shows that lucid dreaming comes with a boost of activity in parts of the brain that are usually restful during sleep. Lucid dreaming is a brain state between REM sleep and being awake. Some lucid dreamers are able to influence their dream, changing the story, so to speak. This may be a good tactic to take sometimes, especially during a nightmare, but many dream experts says it's better to let your dreams flow naturally. Number 2. Nightmares. A nightmare is a bad dream. It's common in both children and adults. Often it happens because of stress, conflict and fear, trauma, emotional problems, medication or drug use and illness. If you have a certain nightmare over and over again, your subconscious may be trying to tell you something. Listen to it. If you can't figure out why you are having a bad dreams, talk to a mental health care provider. They may be able to help you figure out what's causing your nightmares and you give tips to put you at ease. Keep in mind that no matter how scary a nightmare is, it's not real and most likely won't happen to you in real life. Why do we dream? There are many theories about why we dream, but no one knows for sure. Some researchers say dreams have no purpose or meaning. Others say we need dreams for our mental, emotional and physical health. Studies have looked into the importance of dreams to our health and well-being. In one study, researchers woke people just as they were going into REM sleep. They found that those who were not allowed to dream had more tension, anxiety, depression, a hard time concentrating, lack of coordination, and a tendency to hallucinate. More experts say dreams exist to help solve problems in our lives, incorporate memories, and process emotions. If you go to bed with a troubling thought, you may wake up with a solution or at least feel better about the situation. Some dreams may help our brain process our thoughts and events of the day. Others may just be the results of the normal brain activity and mean very little if anything. Researchers are still trying to figure out exactly why we dream. How long do dreams last? REM sleep lasts only a few minutes early in the night but gets longer as we sleep. Later in the night, it might last more than 30 minutes, so you might spend half an hour in a single dream. What do dreams mean? Famous psychologist Sigmund Freud believed that dreams are a window into our subconscious and that they reveal a person's unconscious desires, thoughts, and motivations. Freud thought dreams were a way for a people to satisfy urges and desires that were not acceptable to society. Just as there are different opinions about why we dream, there are different views about what dreams mean. Some experts say dreams have no connection to our real emotions or thoughts. They are just strange stories that don't relate to normal life. Can dreams predict the future? Sometimes dreams come true or tell of a future event. When you have a dream that plays out in real life, experts say it's most likely due to coincidence, bad memory, and an unconscious linking of known information. But sometimes dreams can motivate you to act a certain way, thus changing the future. Why are dreams hard to remember? Researchers don't know for sure why dreams are easily forgotten. Maybe we are designed to forget our dreams because if we remember them all, we might not be able to tell dreams from real memories. Also, it could be harder to remember dreams because during REM sleep, our body may shut down systems in our brain that create memories. We may remember only those dreams that happen just before we wake when certain brain activities are turned back on. Some say it's not that our minds forget dreams but that we don't know how to access them. Tips for dream recall. If you are a sound sleeper and don't wake up until the morning, you are less likely to remember your dreams compared with other people who wake up several times in the night. Some tips may help you remember your dreams. Number 1. Wake up without an alarm. You are more likely to remember your dreams if you wake up naturally than with an alarm. Once the alarm goes off, your brain focuses on turning off the annoying sound, not on your dream. Number 2. Remind yourself to remember. If you make a decision to remember your dreams, you are more likely to remember them in the morning. Before you go to sleep, remind yourself that you want to remember your dream. Number 3. Dream playback. If you think about the dream right after waking, it may be easier to remember it later. Dreams have fascinated humanity since the beginning of time and will probably continue to puzzle us. Science has allowed us to learn much about the human brain, but we may never know for sure the meanings behind our dreams. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this, let me know by clicking the like button. Do share, write a comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you can catch up my next video. Thank you.